Have you been self-sabotaging your success? Have you been holding yourself back and not allowing yourself to experience that success? And you've been blaming your circumstances, your experiences. But in this video, I'm going to help you how you can overcome that. Hi, my name is Mitlesh and I'm the founder of Pivot Simply. Through Pivot Simply, my endeavor is to help you pivot and make that shift in your personal and professional life. Now, coming back, you self-sabotaging your success, I'm going to share a few signs which would help you to identify, are you doing that? Number one sign is that you do not take risk. Even though you have the resources, you have the knowledge, but you hold yourself back. You don't take risk. You don't allow yourself to step out of the comfort zone. You stay in that comfort zone and try to do things which is not important. You find it hard to prioritize the task which can help you get success, but you keep yourself busy in other tasks which is not so important. Then the signs are that you are actually holding yourself back. You give away your energy, your time, and your space to things which is not important, and then you get hard on yourself. You feel guilty, you feel bad that why aren't you doing what you need to be doing. Now in this section, I'm going to explain you and I'm going to give away a few tips which can help you to overcome this. Number one and most important thing is, first of all, you need to know that you are self-sabotaging your success, because the most important thing is you need to build that awareness, because in most cases people actually don't know that they are doing it. This is their behavioral pattern. So if you are doing it, first of all, acknowledge that. Accept it that you are doing it, because it starts with your own acceptance. Number two is you need to find out the reason. Why are you doing it? Do you have a fear of rejection? Do you have a fear of failure? You think whatever you do might not be successful. Are you afraid of others' judgment? That what if people would laugh at you, people would think that this is not going to work, or this is not even worth it, and you are holding yourself back. And third and most important thing is need to give that self-compassion, that self-care to yourself. When you are on a path where you need to be doing something which you're, probably you feel like it's your soul speaking to you, or if something you want to start as a side hustle, or you want to do something different, right? Then you need to make yourself strong enough, give yourself space, give yourself that self-compassion, again coming back to this again and again, that you're not allowing any self-judgment. You're not allowing the judgment of others, even if you think that this might be the case. And going after this, whatever you're trying to do, irrespective of your fear of failure, fear of rejection, allowing yourself to take risk, because only when you take risk, you would be able to see the outcome. Because when you're not taking any action anyway, nothing is happening. So follow this, take risk, step out of your comfort zone. No growth would happen in comfort zone, and just trusting in yourself, and most importantly, be easy in yourself. Okay, so this is what is from today's episode, and I hope you liked it. If you did, do let me know, and also please do like, subscribe this channel. That will help many others who's also going through the similar challenges. And I would also like you to see in my community, so please do join my community. It will be great to connect with you there. So I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.